guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I have got my first unboxing of the month of April 2019 and it is Look Fantastic. I think this might be my last one. I'm really sad. I think it is. Look Fantastic is £15 a month if you do like rolling month by month. My mum bought me a subscription for my birthday in November. And she bought me a 6-month subscription, so it ended up being about £13 a month. So I had November, December, January, February. I think this is my last month. I'm going to be really sad. I will keep dipping in and out as I can afford it, but with a baby on the way, I'm having to save my money, especially now that we know the sex. Need to buy some stuff. So Look Fantastic is a beauty box, and this month is really plain, but I kind of like it. So last month was a really pretty blue and purple design, and then this month is very plain, but I kind of like it. It's very simple. It's just got a silver band. Look Fantastic, you do get a copy of, let's have a look. Oh my goodness, this is so heavy. You do get a copy of Elle Magazine every month. This comes travel size Elle Magazine, which is like £4 in the shops. So if you take that off, especially if you do a 6-month thing, mine's like £13 something, it makes it less than tenner for this box. So yeah, that's good. Something in here smells amazing. You get this little book every month that tells you all about what is inside the book. I'm not going to look yet. I've seen no spoilers. I have watched no videos or anything. I've just avoided it because I want it to be surprised. So let's have a little look. There you go. Something smells incredible. Something smells really pepperminty. Oh my goodness, what is it? What can I smell that smells like peppermint? I literally don't even know. Okay, so I'm going to grab this first because this is ginormous. Oh my god, this is huge. You're not what I can smell. This is a Hava, and this is a natural Dead Sea bath salts, and this is 250 grams. It's a really good size. I have heard of this brand before, but I don't know what I've had with them before, but I do love some bath salts. I'll have to double check to make sure they're okay for pregos, because I know some things you can't use. But that's an awesome, I'm really happy with that. Let's have a little look and see what it says about that. So this is worth £7. Experience the ultimate restorative soak with these Dead Sea bath salts, enriched with over 21 essential skin friendly minerals. These salts can help replenish skin and relieve muscle tension, inflammation, while simultaneously softening and hydrating skin. Oh my god, I hope I can use this because it sounds amazing. I'm all achy. Pour the packet into a warm bath. The whole packet. The whole packet. 1 to 2 packets into a hot bath. A whole packet in one bath. Crumbs on a cracker. A whole packet. That I wouldn't. I'd be like, little tiny bit of time. Save it all up. Save your money. But yeah, it says use a whole one and then soak for 20 minutes. It sounds lovely. Let's see what else we've got. We've got this little... Oh! This feels really empty. I can't see it in the light, but it doesn't feel like there's anything in it. EH, so it's Emma Hardy Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. Oh, that sounds nice. I've not heard of Emma Hardy. Where is it? Here. It says this is worth £13.50, so a full size one of these must be muchos expensive. I think, oh, I can see it on the packet. It's like to here. So it's about half full. Not the end of the world. Generally with little samples, they're not always full, but I can see here, like in my light, it's like just here. So you get a good few goes out of it. Create a hydrating veil over skin with this intensive moisturizer rich in hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid. Improve the appearance of complexion by locking in moisture levels beneath the skin surface. Warm product between your fingertips and smooth over your face and neck for smooth, radiant skin. If you have oily skin, you may prefer to use this as a hydrating night cream instead of a daily moisturizer. That's a good tip. I am excited to try this. Let's have a little look-see and see. I don't want to use much because there's only a tiny bit in there. Let's have a look. Just a crim. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh, I want to live in there. That smells so good. What does that even smell of? I'm so rubbish at knowing what things smell of, but that smells amazeballs. I'm excited for that. It smells like something else I've got and I can't think what it is, but it smells good. Next is a Balance Me. My skin doesn't always like Balance Me stuff, but I'll give it a go. It's a vitamin C repair serum with hyaluronic acid, 98% natural. This is worth £11. This is teeny weeny, but it's worth 11 quid, so that's good. Combat anti-aging and hyperpigmentation with this vitamin C infused repairing serum containing stabilised vitamin C and melavoid. Don't know what that is. This serum works to reduce skin pigmentation and calm inflamed skin, leaving your complexion soft and radiant. Apply after cleansing, dotting the serum over your face and neck in the morning and evening. And if you're using a retinol based product, we'd suggest alternating its use with a vitamin C so they can react on the skin if used together. So that's exciting. £11. Don't look fantastic, don't normally write the prices in, so that's really good. That's a new thing, and that makes me very happy because normally I have to search online for stuff, so I'm super happy about that. This next one is a Grow Gorgeous, and it's Back into the Roots 10-minute stimulating scalp mask. Oh, really like the packaging on this. Look, that looks really cool. And this says, revive tired and flat hair with this 10-minute miracle worker that will add a boost of life into your roots. It's worth £6. Stimulating scalp mask revitalizes the scalp, lifts the roots so your hair appears bouncy and voluminous. Infused with burdock root, hyaluronic acid, vitamins and caffeine, the mask creates a cooling sensation whilst creating a fuller, thicker appearance. I definitely need that because I got some flat hair. Some flat hair. So I will definitely give this a go. Paraben and sulfate free will leave your hair light, clean and bouncy. Massage into dry hair. Ooh. Leave on for 10 minutes and rinse off to reveal bouncy locks. Leave this on for an hour, covering the hair with a shower cap for an intensive treatment to revive even the driest hair. I think I'll probably do that because my hair is fried. Very excited to try that. Next up is a Noah Bay recovery mask. Noah Bay, is that gonna focus? There you go, Noah Bay. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm just gonna keep saying it and saying it wrong probably. That's fine. This is worth £4.95. Is this what I can smell? What can I smell? Oh, I've just squeezed it all out. Balls. Look, I'm trying to sniff it and it's all just blobbed out. Bollocks. You get back in there and just be a squidgy mess. Created for sensitive skin, this recovery mask contains softening, refreshing orange floral water, vitamin E and moisturising ingredients such as rice, poppy and tiger nut oils to restore fatty acid levels in the skin. Ideal for soothing inflamed skin, this mask contains zinc oxide, which helps to enhance the skin's barrier and reduce redness. 98.7% of the ingredients are from natural origins and over 30% derived from organic farming methods. Apply to dry skin, leave on for at least 7 minutes. It's quite specific. And it just says it has bentonite clay in it, so bentonite clay in it. So if you have dry skin, you may want to follow up with a rich moisturiser. What can I smell? I don't even know. Something smells like mint. Nothing here smells like mint. But that looks awesome. I do love a face mask. Right, it's got restore fatty acids. Since being pregnant, my skin is so freaking dry. It's ridiculous. Like, I'm just like a crusty old crab face. It's horrible. So anything that can give me some moisture is much appreciated. And my last item is a lipstick. It's a Bella Pierre mineral lipstick in the colour Envy, worth £16. I haven't ever had a Bella Pierre lipstick. I've had the liquid lipsticks, but never a lipstick. Oh, that's a nice colour. Oh, that's very pretty. It's a really nice sort of rose nude. That's like a really good everyday kind of colour. Maybe it's you that I can smell. It smells pretty good. Enhance your lips with this Enhance your lips with this Your Lips Better shade of pink. Mineral lipstick formulated with natural waxes and mineral pigments. This smooth and silky 100% natural formula, it's impressive, delivers long-lasting colour without drying your lips. Apply to lips and reapply as needed. For a precise finish, use a lip liner. We all know how to do lipstick. I'm really bad at it. I know the idea of it. I'm just not very good at the actual getting on my face. To tap into a key spring trend, apply and then blot with a tissue to achieve a diffused and blended colour. Well, I think that might have been my favourite Look Fantastic box I've ever had, and I've dropped half of it on the floor. Oh crumbs. I am super happy with that. I'm very sad that it's my last one, but as a last one, they've definitely gone out with a bang for me. I don't know what I can smell. Let me open this and see if this is what I can smell. How do we open you? How do we open you? Place your bets on how much of this I spill on the floor. I need to know what smells amazing. Don't look behind me at the massive baby crap. That's not what I can smell. That smells good, but it's not what I don't know. Something smells amazing in this box. I don't know what it is, but it smells good. And just chucked it all on the floor again. So if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. If you know what smells minty, let me know, because my senses might just be crazy. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you really soon. Bye guys.